How to fix this video is not available on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube and remove the tab. After it refreshes, by removing tab, open YouTube, and if it still does not fix your problem, open Play Store, search for VPN. Install VPN and try opening the same video after turning on VPN. And if this method does not work, open a video, click on Settings at the top, and click on Quality. Try playing your video in lower quality. After that, if it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is hold on to the YouTube app on your home screen. Click on App Info at the top. In App Info, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Storage and Cache. Then, simply click on Clear Cache. After you have cleared cache, you can simply open YouTube and try to play the video again. And this is how to fix this video is not available on YouTube problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.